Venture Capitalists Decoded. Getting the working capital you need to grow your company doesn't have to be too hard. Lots of businesses these days turn to venture capitalists. These options can work for startup ventures, but there are details you should know. What is a venture capitalist? According to Investopedia, a venture capitalist is an investor who either provides capital to startup ventures or supports small companies that wish to expand but do not have access to equities markets. Venture capitalists are willing to invest in such companies because they can earn a massive return on their investments if these companies are a success. While roles will vary, there are usually three positions in any given VC firm: associates, principals, and partners. Venture capital firm associates usually have experience in business consulting or finance. They sometimes have a degree in business. Associates often do more analytical work. They analyze business models, industry trends, and subsections. They also work with companies in the firm's portfolio. They start off as junior associates and move up to senior associate positions after a few years. What does a venture principal do? A venture capital firm principal serves as a mid-level professional. They generally serve on the board of portfolio companies. They are often in charge of making sure the companies in the VC firm's portfolio are operating smoothly. They are in charge of identifying investment opportunities for the firm. They also negotiate terms for both acquisition and exit. What does a venture partner do? Venture capital firm principals can become partners. This depends on the returns they generate from the deals they make. Partners are mainly focused on identifying areas or specific businesses for investment. They also approve deals such as investments or exits. Partners sometimes sit on the board of portfolio companies. In general, their role is to represent the VC firm. Let's recap for Venture Capitalists Decoded. Venture capital is a fairly new method of investing. VCs invest in startups which they think will turn a profit. They often look for companies and industries they know. They are more amenable to higher risk industries. Usually they invest more than angels do. Funding comes in well-defined stages. VCs want a piece of the business and often a seat on the board of directors. Contact us today to learn more about Venture Capitalists Decoded.